We provide online Quran teaching services on Skype, online learning system used by thousands of students from USA, UK, Canada, and other countries. Check the benefits in learning with us. 1. One-on-one 30 minutes each lesson by highly qualified tutors. 2. 3 days of absolutely free trial lessons. 3. Convenient home-based learning opportunity, and you can schedule classes according to your preference. 4. Teaching of the basic Islamic principles like namaz prayers and ahadith. 5. Classes are given in English, Arabic, and Urdu languages, along with Arabic alphabet lessons to understand Quran. So, what are you waiting for? Register now on our website and start your 3-day free trial today.